This is the first sound, the sound that connects you to one of the most important people in your life. Calming, comforting, that is the power of sound. Throughout life, sound will make you learn and grow, make you remember, make you wonder. It will move you and make you able to move others. Sound connects us to the world and to our loved ones. But if sound goes silent, everything changes. We become isolated. We miss out on the important things in life. At Oticon Medical, we're determined to change that. We strive to empower you when hearing aids are not enough. Through innovative hearing implant technology, we help you live a full life where hearing loss is no limitation. This requires global and lifelong support. And as a part of Demon, a leading hearing healthcare group, we have a worldwide network of more than 15,000 people in 130 countries to help us innovate and support you. We push the boundaries of technology to bring you innovative, future-proof implantable hearing solutions that are based on extensive investments in research and development and a collaborative effort with university hospitals and leading academic research institutions. At the heart of everything we do are our users. We have a burning passion to give more people access to the right treatment so they can overcome the limitations of a hearing loss and enjoy the power of sound and connect with their loved ones. Because sound matters.